In the quilt menu, stitch number 1304 on the Bernina 480 is a hand look quilt stitch. Now this is a manipulated stitch. This is going to take a little time to get figured out, but it's going to make it look like you have stitched by hand. So there is clear thread in the needle. Whatever color you want to show, see the fun stitches there, is going to be in your bobbin. And then you'll notice that the tension starts off at 7.5. So that's where you're probably going to want to start. As you start stitching, you'll probably notice that nothing happens until you get a couple stitches going. But what it's doing is it's dragging the thread from the bobbin up to the top. And it has the appearance that you're stitching by hand. So the clear thread is letting it look like there's spaces in between. Now if anybody flips it over, it is going to be shown that it does not look like a standard stitch, but from the front, that's what counts.